Hello everybody! Today we're going to teach you about defining and undefining clauses. My name is María José Negrete Negrete.
My name is Ana Cecilia López Duque. I'm the concept of this topic, and we are going to teach an example of this. First, we need to know what is non-defining clauses. Non-defining clauses give extra information where it is not necessary to understand the main sentence even without it. For this, we need to use relative pronouns: who, where, when, which, that, whom, why, and whose. For this sentence, we need to use comma. For example, here in our example, Majo wrote, "The game that we played yesterday is very entertaining," but this sentence is non-defining because it gave us extra information and we need to use comma. So the sentence is, "The game, comma, that we played yesterday, comma, is very entertaining."
And for the defining clauses, first you need to understand that